How to buy Doge 2014 token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before that, go and check their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there, and keep following their updates about this token, and check their Telegram channel too, because they include it in their X account. Now after that, go and open their official page to buy this token. It's in pre-sale. Now what you need to do is connect your wallet first. Now select your wallet from here. For this I will use MetaMask. Now click on connect, and now as you can see, choose the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Now type here how much you want to buy. Now as you can see, this is how much you will receive, and now as you can see, because I don't have any fund on my MetaMask, I can see here the buy now. So for you, this buy now will show up for you, and you can click on it and buy this token. Now if you want to buy with your card, you can now type here how much you want to buy of USD. Now you can now click on buy, and after that click on continue, and now please wait while our initial agent. So as you can see, now just type your phone number and you will receive a code. Now submit it in this page, and you will be able to complete the buy process to be able to buy this token. You have another option is by going to Coin Sniper and copy the token address under the Ethereum network and go and open your wallet, for example Bybit, if you want it. Now so that's just log into your wallets, and after that what you need to do is by switching the network here to Ethereum network. Now just select the Ethereum and click on these three lines, click on plus here. Now select the Ethereum as you can see. Now paste the token address, and this is our token as you can see. Now make sure to read this risk warning. Now if you are ready to go, just click on continue, and now after that go back to your wallet to be able to find this token called the Doge2014. Just click on it, and now click on swap here as you can see, and they will redirect you to Bybit Web3 to be able to buy this token. Now what you need to do from here, just connect your wallet, the Bybit wallet. Now here as you can see, click here to switch and select the token that you want to buy with. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. So because I don't have that fund on my wallet, I can't see here how much I will receive with that. So after that, just go and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Doge 2014. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the video.